Starting from very humble beginnings as an enslaved human, Toussaint Louverture became the most prolific and successful commander of all time, with the specific goal of freeing all black people within Saint-Domingue and Hispaniola at large. After winning the colony back strategically from Spain and Great Britain, fighting with the French, Toussaint Louverture had a vision of his own. So he wrote a constitution for Saint-Domingue shortly after, decreeing himself. This is crazy. The strategy was crazy. He named himself the governor for life and called for black autonomy as well as a sovereign black state, which means an independent black state separate from France. Now, how do you think France took that? Yeah, not too well. Napoleon Bonaparte sent an entire fleet and loads of soldiers and ships to Saint-Domingue in order to really reinforce the power of France over the colony. They also sought after Toussaint Louverture to make sure that he understood that he was not in power. When they did finally catch up with him, they had to trick him in order to get him, and they sent him back to France. After tricking Toussaint, the French thought that they had an opening, were able to reestablish slavery on the island and colony of Saint-Domingue. But the black leaders and black citizens of the colony were not having it and revolted yet again in 1802. And by 1804, the black citizens, black leaders had finally won the very long fight and battle for black independence and were able to rename the colony, or the newly established independent black nation, Haiti.
Power's in the truth, that's why the truth is so elusive. All this black magic,